right, visionaries, let's get into some real talk today. Relying on one source of income is playing a risky game. If you're only using one stream, you're putting all your eggs in a single shaky basket. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I personally leverage Canva, Shopify, and ChatGPT to create multiple streams of income. And this isn't just a theory. It's exactly how I've diversified my income and scaled my business. So let's dive deep into each tool and break down the strategy that keeps the money flowing. Number one, Canva, the creative gold mine. Let's start with Canva. If you've only used Canva for Instagram posts or basic graphics, you're leaving serious money on the table. Canva is a powerhouse for creating digital products that people actually want to buy. We're talking about templates, workbooks, planners, social media kits, and the list goes on. Here's the deal. I use Canva not just to design, but to create fully editable products. Why? Because customization is king. People love products they can personalize to fit their brand or needs. One of my best-selling items is my editable social media kit for small business owners and entrepreneurs. I design these in Canva, bundle them into a sleek package, and sell them on platforms like Etsy and my own Shopify store. And guess what? Once these products are listed, they sell on autopilot, bringing in passive income while I focus on scaling other parts of my business. Pro tip, always keep your products niche specific. Don't just create a planner. Create a daily productivity planner for solopreneurs or a budget tracker for moms. Specifics sell. Number two, the ultimate storefront, Shopify, the platform that turns your digital products into revenue streams. Here's where most people go wrong. They think of Shopify as just a place to sell products, but it's so much more. Shopify is your 24/7 salesperson, marketer, and checkout assistant all in one. I use Shopify to host my digital products, offer upsells, run promotions, and collect customer data that helps me optimize my strategy. Setting up my Shopify store was one of the smartest moves I made. Why? Because it's not just about making a sale, it's about building a brand. Shopify's automated features make it easy to set up email marketing sequences that nurture leads into paying customers and bring back existing ones. Combine that with upsell plugins like one-click upsell, and you've got a system that maximizes each customer's value. Another game changer, Shopify's integration capabilities. I connect my Shopify store with social media channels and run retargeting ads to bring potential customers back. If someone visits my store but doesn't buy, they start seeing targeted ads reminding them of the exact product they checked out. It's like giving your potential buyers a little nudge, but automated. And number three, ChatGPT, the secret content machine. Now let's talk about my not so secret weapon, ChatGPT. This tool takes content creation to another level. Whether I'm writing a product description or crafting engaging emails or even brainstorming new product ideas, ChatGPT is there to streamline the process. But here's the thing, most people use AI tools like ChatGPT to write generic content. I don't. I use it to enhance my voice and create a consistent brand presence. Imagine this, you're launching a new Canva template. You need a product description that grabs attention and sells. I use ChatGPT to draft that description in seconds and then tailor it to match my brand's personality. That's time saved and quality improved. It's all about working smarter, not harder. ChatGPT also helps me create scripts for my YouTube videos like this one, outline courses, and brainstorm content that connects with my audience. It's a creative powerhouse that lets me expand my business without burning out. And here's the kicker. You can even use it to generate customer follow-up emails and automated responses that keep your buyers engaged long after the purchase. So the synergy combining Canva, Shopify, and ChatGPT, now you're probably thinking, okay, but how do these tools work together? Let me paint a picture. I create a digital product like a productivity planner using Canva. I upload it to Shopify where I craft a high converting product page and automate the sales process. To get eyes on that product, I use ChatGPT to write compelling email sequences and ad copy that draw in traffic. The entire system runs with minimal intervention, freeing me to create more products or explore new streams of income. Real talk, why this works. This strategy works because each tool plays to its strength and complements the other. Canva is where the product magic happens. Shopify is where it sells, and ChatGPT keeps my content fresh and engaging. But here's the truth, if you're not using these tools to their fullest potential, you're just scratching the surface. It's like having a treasure chest and only picking up the gold coins sitting at the top. So there you have it, the formula that's helped me build multiple income streams using Canva, Shopify, and ChatGPT. It's not rocket science, but it does take effort, creativity, and strategy. Don't be that person who watches from the sidelines thinking, I should try that someday, or maybe that day. Make today that day. Start building, start automating, and watch your hard work pay off in ways you never thought possible. Let me know in the comments if you're already using any of these tools and how you're leveraging them to build your business. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any game-changing tips. I'll see you in the next video.